Hello, welcome back to Gilfac Gwen. Here we have a little video of where the walls go and how and what relationship they bear with the rest of the model. As you can see here, this is the transporter wagon here with the slate wagon on, and that will go along the track and end up across the turntable and end up here at the docking bay. You may notice that I've now put some steps in here, and a wall across to close the end where the two baseboards join at right angles to each other. I have yet to put some buffers here, and on this bit here there will be a bit of a wall with a fence on it, but there will also be a large lever which actuated a Scotch block that went up under the wheels to stop the transporter from rolling forward once they were pushing the wagons on. But as you can see, this Depron works quite well. I know it's at the moment unpainted, but it's painted just here, as you can see, but it's not painted here, but it will be eventually. And all this area here, you see here, will be filled in up to the chair level really. You won't see, well, you'll just see indents where the sleepers are, but they were generally covered up, I think. From all the photographs I've seen, I've not seen any with exposed sleepers, or maybe one or two, but not a lot. So the process will be to cut some foam board, which I'm going to be using, to fill up the depth of those sleepers and go across and underneath, and then that will be covered with a dusting really of slate dust and glue and Artex, but I'll come to that in a later video. But the next few shots that you'll see will be the vegetation I shall be putting under here, the greening up of the slabs on here, and general wear and tear. So let's move that out the way a little bit. Take that off of there for a bit, and you can see the turntable spins quite nicely. What I'll be doing also, once I've got this area here filled in, I will then be super detailing this. By super detailing, I mean it'll be oily dirt basically, because I have actually put the bolt heads and the fixing points already in, and these are Cambrian bolt heads stuck on, so they're actually quite good, if you can see that. I know it's got a bit of a shine on here, but that will disappear. That's priming, of course. That will disappear when I start to dirty everything down. So it's coming on nicely, and as I said, the next video that I shall do will be adding all the vegetation, ferns and all that sort of stuff that will grow where it's damp and moist, which is pretty much all around here, all along this wall here. If I turn the camera around, you'll see that wall along there. When I say camera, I do mean I'm using an iPhone here. This is what I'm using to do the filming. Okay, right, so I'll come back to you when I have more to show you.